Forklift operation is a vital part of industries like logistics, manufacturing, and ports. But traditional training methods come with numerous challenges. So, how can we train forklift operators efficiently, safely, and cost-effectively? DataMesh Simulator features a one-to-one replica cockpit with realistic joysticks, pedals, and a multi-degree of freedom motion platform, offering real-time feedback that mirrors real forklift operation. It also allows you to customize training scenarios, from realistic factory layouts to specialized cargo handling tailored to your unique needs. The simulator covers essential forklift tasks like figure-8 driving, high stacking, and yard work, and even simulates various weather conditions to help trainees handle emergency situations. Its AI-powered scoring system automatically tracks movements, duration, and mistakes, providing detailed visual reports to pinpoint skill gaps. Administrators can easily monitor progress via a cloud platform, manage trainee records in bulk, and maintain a fully digital training process. With the DataMesh Simulator, trainees can quickly master essential skills like forklift operation, cargo handling, and precise positioning, safely and risk-free. Compared to traditional methods, it reduces fuel consumption by 90%, cuts maintenance costs by 80%, and supports over 2,000 training sessions annually with just one unit. DataMesh Simulator, making forklift training faster, safer, and more cost-effective, while boosting training quality and ensuring operations safe.